Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes command prompt and reset this PC missing in advanced options. First method is enable recovery environment. Second method is use repair this PC option. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.